All stations, the Texas is secure. We have lateral movement confirmed. Steady as she goes, hold attention. Clamps engaging on the keel now. We have positive contact and pressure stabilizing. Final sequence locked in. All stations, we are proceeding as planned. Tugboat's easy on the starboard side. Tug 1, maintain bearing 090.
Roger that, holding steady.
Dead slow ahead, tugs maintain pressure.
All right, pressure maintained.
Note the deformation here at the waterline.
Frame 122, heavy pitting logged.
We're showing 20% loss. Recommend immediate ultrasound.
Watch the debris field on the lower deck.
I see it. Adjusting trajectory.
Watch the sway on that link. Roger that, bringing it up slowly.
Check the plating above, near the conduit.
I see the stress fracture. Logging it now. Careful on the ladder.
All right, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got it, watch your feet. Clear on the left side.
Hold the conduit steady, I'm pulling now.
Got it. Looks clear downstream. Clear the path, we are moving it out.
Careful with the cables.
Lowering now, slowly.
Pot pressure stabilizing.
Confirming pot pressure. Stand by for blast initiation. Keep that stream steady on the waterline.
Roger that, moving left.
Watch the sparks on level 4. Copy that, moving now.
The pitting here is worse than expected. Yeah.
Confirmed. We'll need a full ultrasonic scan on frame 45. The starboard side cleaning is complete. The rivets look good.
Agreed. We could start the turret mechanisms tomorrow.
Powering up the main bay now.
Clear on all decks, ready for assessment.
This housing matches the 1914 schematic, but the wear is significant.
The starboard turbine casing shows similar.
Make sure you get the inside of that valve housing. Copy that. Watching the pressure now.
Check the tension on row 12.
Looks good. Keep it steady.
Check the pressure manifold connection.
Torque to spec. The run is clear.
We are still reading low at the coupling.
Dial indicator shows minus 0.001.
Applying another 200 psi to the press.
Reference mark is aligned.
Verified. Grease spread is uniform.
We've got movement on the quadrant.
The grease is spreading nicely along the pivot.
Smooth operation, full articulation achieved.
All right, easy now. Bring it down another 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters, coming down slowly.
Rotation sequence initiated, all green on the primary shaft.
Confirmed. Alignment holding steady at 0.001.
Thumbs up on panel 4. We are green across the board.
Copy that. Maintaining stability.
Alignment on frame 42 looks good. Copy that. Proceeding with the seam weld.
How's the finish on that seam?
Almost perfect. Just a little more pressure on the edge. Ease it down, watch the clearance.
Looks good here.
All right, it's locked in, hoist away.
Clear that lower plate, we've still got residue. All right, I'm moving the jet to the starboard side now.
Confirm the pressure reading on the main tank.
2,000 psi, holding steady.
Ratios confirmed. We are cleared to begin the application.
Sector 4, confirm coverage on the lower plates. Affirmative, looking good down here. Move to Sector 5.
How's the thickness looking down there?
Looks good, moving up.
Watch your hose on the frame 11. Watch your left side. Okay, moving up now. Clear below.
Check the alignment right here. Looks consistent with the blueprint. Proceed.
Check the consistency on the FARVAT.
Looks uniform. The pigment is fully integrated.
Keep moving left, hit that seam. Got it, watch the pressure. Keep moving left, hit that seam. Got it, maintaining pressure. Keep the pressure steady on the lower plates.
There.
Copy that, watching the overlap now. Moving up to the platform now, watch the overspray.
All right, I'm clear below.
That gray is looking sharp against the red lead.
Yeah, the water line is perfect.
Look closely at this seam. We have some inconsistency here.
Yes, I see it. I'll make a note for the paint crew.
Check this section. Does the sheen match the prototype?
Almost there, just a few more strokes.
A little more to the starboard side. How's that alignment look now? Perfect, lock it down.
We need to align this panel flush with the bulkhead.
Use the digital level to verify the alignment before final tightening.
Check continuity on circuit 4.
Reading stable at 120 volts. Green light is solid.
We are traversing turret 2 now.
Clear on the hydraulics, pressure is stable.
Confirmed. All systems green. Check the seam right here, Charlie.
Smooth adhesion, minimal roughness.
Logging it as satisfactory.
Level looks perfect.
Applying the final torque now.
Keep the pressure steady on this side. All right, I'm matching your pace right here.
How are the vibrations on the starboard shaft?
Well within tolerance. The governor is responding smoothly. The pitch alignment on blade 3 is holding steady.
Acceptable tolerance. We are clear for rotation check complete.
Check the alignment on this stanchion. The fitting seems slightly off.
Confirmed. Noted for adjustment.
Rivets look solid, though.
Gauge reads 12 feet. We are within tolerance.
Copy that. The Texas is beginning to lift.
Starboard side clear of blocks. Water level steady at Mark 5. Copy that. Main control. Pressure holding steady.
Keel blocks clearing the stern post. We have lift.
Bridge to all tugs. Easy strain on the lines now. We are moving.
Roger, maintaining easy strain.
All tugs, maintain current bearing and slow to 2 knots. We are clear of the dry dock entrance. Bridge, this is the deck. Propulsion tests are nominal, holding steady at 5 knots.